We're headed to Tybee Island today. Wanted to take you along so that you can see the trip from downtown Savannah all the way to the island. Just finished breakfast at Maple Street Biscuit Company. I had a chocolate chip waffle and Courtney had shiitake mushroom biscuits and gravy. Perfect start to our day. Our trick of getting here before 9 o'clock has worked 2 days in a row. If you're looking for more on Savannah, check out yesterday's video. We checked out all the squares, had breakfast, and then did like a food tour for dinner, so don't want to miss that. We're headed to Tybee Island today. Wanted to take you along so that you can see the trip from downtown Savannah all the way to the island.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off with you gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Someday we will look back and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause
We've officially made it to Tybee Island. We are here at the North Beach. We're gonna check out the lighthouse and everything here. We've already switched to flip-flops. We're excited to see what's here and mostly to be at the beach. The lighthouse on Tybee was one of the first public structures in Georgia, completed in 1736. Its 90-foot height made it the loftiest in America. It is $10 to go up in the lighthouse, so we are going to stay on the ground today, but you can definitely climb up there if you're interested. Two half It is cold, it's December, everybody's in coats except for a few people. Should be a fun walk along the beach. We are also between having a lot of sun and a small rainstorm that's north of us, so it'll be interesting to see what we get into. We're just here to walk along the beach. So cool. There's a bird with an orange beak. If you know what it is, let me know in the comments. I have no idea. Hopefully you found this video helpful on getting to Tybee Island. Highly recommend it if you come to Savannah. It's December and it's still enjoyable. The ocean is beautiful, the beaches are soft. It's worth the trip. If you did enjoy it, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you next week at Congy National Park. This is consistently rated the worst national park. It's also home to 4 types of venomous snakes. There's no alligators here, but when it floods, they come in from local waterways. Even though it's raining, we're gonna catch the boardwalk hike and then see what else we can find.